Hi and welcome to In the Can. So today I'm going to be making a Chinese coconut chicken. And in the bowl I have 2 slightly beaten eggs. Get out of there! And I'm going to add 2 chicken breasts that I've cut up. And a half a cup of cornstarch. Mix this all together, get it all coated. So I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Then I'll be back to fry it up. I'll see you then. Okay, I'm back and my chicken is marinated. Now I'm going to take it out and drop it into some hot oil. And allow it to fry up. Flip it around a little bit to get all sides to fry. I want to get some nice color on this. And once my chicken has a nice golden color, I'm going to pull it out and place it on a plate with a paper towel. There you have it. So I'm going to finish frying up this chicken, then I'll be back to make the sauce. Okay, so I'm back. So now I'm going to make the sauce. And I've got a can of coconut milk, and I've shaken it because coconut milk solidifies on the top. Pour that into my pan. To this, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar. A tablespoon of vinegar. A teaspoon of ginger. And it calls for the juice of 1 lime. I don't have a lime, so I'm going to be using a lemon, which will change the flavor a bit. Give this a stir. Then we'll add our chicken in. Stir it to coat. Turn off the heat. I've got a plate of rice here. Got a plate of coconut rice, to be honest. And we'll give ourselves a serving. Pour some of that sauce over the top of the coconut rice. And let's give this a little taste. That's pretty good. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you again next time. I'm going to add some stow peas to this because I want vegetables. They're not part of the recipe, but you can do it how you want to. And bye now.